In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for a specific merchant in Origin Financial. Let's get started. To find a merchant quickly, the easiest way is through the Report section. First, go to the Spending tab from your dashboard. Once you're there, tap on Reports to open your spending insights. Next, look for the Filters option and select it. Inside Filters, choose Merchants. This will display a full list of merchants linked to your transactions, and you can easily pick the one you're looking for to view detailed spending data. If you're trying to locate a merchant for recurring payments instead, head back to the Spending tab and tap on Recurring. Then, tap the Add button. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar where you can type in the name of the merchant or transaction. This helps you quickly find and categorize recurring expenses. Using these two methods makes it simple to track and manage your spending by merchant inside Origin. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.